Education, the learning school. Hello kids, in this video today we are going to learn about 15 reptiles name in English with a spelling. So let's go. Alligator, A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R, alligator. Anaconda, A-N-A-C-O-N-D-A, anaconda. Crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Earthworm, E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M, earthworm. Gharial, G-H-A-R-I-A-L, gharial. King cobra, K-I-N-G, king, C-O-B-R-A, cobra, king cobra. Lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. Python, P-Y-T-H-O-N, python. Scorpion, S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N, scorpion. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Snail, S-N-A-I-L, snail. Sea turtle, S-E-A-C-T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, sea turtle. Slow worm, S-L-O-W, slow, W-O-R-M, worm, slow worm. Tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Viper, V-I-P-E-R, viper. Like and subscribe for more videos.